Hello everybody, welcome to ASL, Ahmedabad School of Linguistics. Now in previous session, we have learned the rules of pronunciation. Okay, we have learned the alphabet and we have also learned the diphthongs. That will enable you to read almost anything and everything in German language. So in today's session now, what we are going to do is we are going to apply that knowledge that we have gained in our previous session. So let's start without any further ado. So, can you tell me how to read now? By the way, the very important thing, okay, this is the trick to read German. See, don't treat German as a new language, okay? Treat it and try to read it just like, you would read this word, okay, in your own mother tongue. So what do I mean by that? So see, very often what happens that we are talking with our friends, we are talking with our friends, family members, colleagues, we are chatting with them on WhatsApp or Instagram nowadays, okay? So we are talking in our regional language. Let it be Hindi, Gujarati, Tamil, whatever, okay? So we are talking with them in our regional language. However, the letter that we are using while writing, okay, that is English. Like kahan ho, then we write K-A-H-A, sometimes N as well. So K-A-H-A and then H-O. Correct? So assume that whatever you are reading, you are going to read, it's written using English letters, but the words are from the vernacular, our regional language. That will help you a lot, okay? Because then you simply have to apply these diphthong rules and that J and V, pronunciation of J and V. Everything else is same. As I have already shown in the previous lecture, that vowels in both German as well as our Indian languages, they work in the same manner. And the pronunciation of consonants also, they are just similar to our Indian language. Okay, when they are used in word. So there is a lot of similarity and so you don't have to put too much stress here. Okay, just read the word as if you would read, a word in your own native language and just apply the rules. So let's start with that much, background and concept in mind. Let's start. Let's try to read this. So as soon as you see EI, so EI, two vowel. As soon as you see two vowel together, you in your mind you should know, okay, there is some rule. EI is I. So so eins. Here there are two vowels only over here. Okay. So EU, E is oi. Rest as if you are reading some Hindi word. Okay. So ropa. So oiropa. Simple. Oiropa. Here two vowels here. IE. IE is E. So, Z. Later on, I will show you when to pronounce S as sir and when to pronounce it as Z. Okay. So, this is Z. Here, UR is there, although they are not two vowels, but that's a part of our rule. UR. UR is UR. So, this one would be correct. Not to UR. Not to UR because NA is na. And then TUR. UR is UR. So TUR, TUR. So now, TUR. IR is ear. And so this is VR. This one. Now here there is CH. For CH we have learned that there are two possibilities. Either sh or h. Here, immediately before CH there is A. So we know it will be h. So this is correct. Sprache. Sprache. This one? Ich. This? EU. So oi. TSCH. Ch. EU is oi. So DEU. Doi. And TSCH is ch. So Deutsch. Deutsch. CH. Immediately before CH there is U. So h. So and AU is au. So au, H, auch, auch. Once again, before ch there is a, so ch is kh. So ma is ma, chen, machen, machen. tion is tion, and then but after n there is a, so ciona, and then l. So cional, and then there is also na at the beginning. So nacional, nacional, nacional. Now this awfully small word. Okay, let's try to. So this is the thing that you should do also in your brain, in your mind, whenever you come across such a lengthy word, and such lengthy words are pretty common in German. Okay, so don't be afraid of them. They just look scary, but they are really super simple. Okay, so whenever you see such a long word, just break it into parts. So here, okay, so AUF, A till F, AU is au, so auf, auf. E till T, end, so A till T, aufend, aufend. H till S, Hals, so A till S, Aufenthalts. GENEH, Gene, Gene, so A till H, Aufenthalts, Gene. M till the end, MIGUNG, MI, me, GU, gu, and then NG, gung, migung. So Aufenthalts, Gene, migung. Aufenthalts, Gene, migung. Okay, super easy. Correct? Let's do some more so that you get enough practice. Let's learn, while we are at it, okay, let's learn months and days as well. Can you try to read it? Correct. It's Monate. Monate. Monate means months, plural. If I remove E, Monat, month, singular. Let's learn them. We know that J is year. It's not J. So year. Year, ya. Ya, nu, ar. Januar. Januar. Februar. Februar. Januar. Februar. A umlaut is A. So März, because Z is S. So März. So Januar, Februar, März. This one is simple. April, Mai, Juni, because J is year. Remember? Juni. This one is Juli and not Julie. Okay? So Juli. Juli. August. 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 September. September. October. October. November. Although V is normally pronounced as fur, but here it will not be pronounced as fur. It will be va only. Later on, I'll teach you when to pronounce V as fur and when not to pronounce V as fur. So, November. December. December. So once again, let's do Januar, Februar, März, April, Mai, Juni, Juli, August, September, October, November, Dezember, heißen die Monate im Kalender. So that's how the months are called in the calendar. Heißen die Monate, months are called im Kalender, in the calendar. So Januar, Februar, März, April, Mai, Juni, Juli, August, September, October, November, Dezember, heißen die Monate im Kalender. Nice rhyme, yeah? Okay, let's move on. Can you read this? Correct. Woche. Woche. So whenever you have E at the end of any German word, so whatever is the sound before E, okay, you press it down. Here the sound is h. So Woche. Woche. You can also take it up like Woche, but the correct standard German, so when you say Woche, it's not wrong completely. Okay, but the standard pronunciation in German is Woche. Okay, Woche. So basically week. Now day in German is called Tag. Tag. Can you make out the spelling? Assume. Now the easiest way to make spellings in German is this. Assume the word that I'm saying it's of your regional language. It's your native language. Okay, and try to make a spelling like Tag. Tag. T-A-G. And that's correct. Tag. Tag means day. Day. So Sunday. It's called Sonntag. Sonntag. Monday. Montag. Montag. Tuesday. Two vowels. I-E. I-E. E. So Dienstag. Dienstag. Wednesday. Mittwoch. Mittwoch. Thursday. Donnerstag. Donnerstag. Friday. Once again two vowel. E-I. E-I. I. So F-R-E-I. Fry. Freitag. Freitag. And Saturday. Samstag. Samstag. Now, so Sunday till Saturday, Sonntag, Montag, Dienstag, Mittwoch, Donnerstag, Freitag, Samstag. But that's pretty boring, right? Yeah. So let's make it a bit more interesting. Although this is not actually how the names came about, but I have tried to make my own little logic. You know, how these words, why Sunday is called Sunday. Okay, what's the logic behind it? How this word came about. Okay, so let's just try to learn that. So Sunday, the word, okay, in our Indian language is called Ravivar. Sunday, Ravi. Ravi means sun. Sun in German is called Sonne. And so the word is Sonntag, Sunday. Monday. In our Indian language, it's called Somvar. Now, Som means moon. So, moon in German, it's called Mond. And so the word is Montag. Montag. Monday. Now, doesn't matter whether you have holiday on other days or not, but nobody has, almost nobody has holiday on Tuesday. Almost nobody has holiday on. Everybody is working, everybody is doing some sort of job, some sort of service. Okay, that service in German is called Dienst. Dienst. So the word is Dienstag. Now, in 1 week, how many days are there? 7. So what is the exact middle number of day? 4th. I hope nobody said 3.5. Okay, so middle number is 4. So this is exactly in the middle. So this is number 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. See, above it there are 3 days, and below it, so after it also there are 3 days. So this is exactly in the middle. Okay, middle of the week. So week is called Woche and middle is called Mitte. And so Wednesday, okay, it's called Mittwoch, middle of the week. Mittwoch. Thursday. Now, originally in English as well, the word kind of came about as Thursday. Thor, god of thunder. Yeah, Thor, Avengers. Okay, so Thor is a god of thunder. Thunder in German, it's called Donner, and so the word is Donnerstag. Now the Friday, it is in English, it is actually came as Freya's day. Freya is a goddess of love. Okay, but we can make it a bit more simpler. Friday. So after Friday comes weekend. Okay, so everybody is free after Friday. Okay, you are going to enjoy your weekend. Everybody is going to party. Everybody is going to have some fun time. So people are free after Friday. So free in German, it's called frei. And so Freitag, Friday. Saturday is called Samstag, and I have no idea from where this word came about. If you find a clue, do let me know. Okay. Now, so with this much background of reading and this much practice of reading German words, now let's do the reverse stuff. I'll say some German words and you will have to make the spellings out of it. Super easy and super fun. I've already told you the trick. Assume that the word that I'm talking, it's one word of your native language. It's just that you have never heard of such word. Okay, but it's of your native language. And try to make a spelling out of it. Just keep in mind that whenever you hear two vowel sounds, you have to remember that whenever you hear two vowel sounds, there must be some rule of diphthong which will be applicable. So let's start. Let's say the word is gehen. Geh, for the sake of, since you are a beginner, let me just say it very slowly, although that's not exactly how it is pronounced, but come on, it's your, just second lecture. So gehen. Let's say the word is gehen. Gehen means to go. Can you spell it? Gehen. Correct. G-E-H-E-N. Gehen. Let's say the word is trinken. Trinken. Once again, the word is trinken. Trinken is to drink. Trinken is to drink. Can you make the spelling? Correct. T-R-I, trin, T-R-I-N, ken, K-E-N, T-R-I-N, K-E-N, trinken. Lernen, easy, L-E-R-N-E-N, lernen, L-E-R-N-E-N, lernen. Let's say the word is studium. Studium. Lernen is to learn, by the way. And studium means study as a noun. Okay, studium. Studium. Correct. S-T-U-D-U-M. D is D-I. And U-M. Studium. S-T-U-D-I-U-M. Studium. And so the word is Beruf. Beruf. B-E-R-U-F. Pretty simple, I hope. Okay. Last word. Last word. Auto. Auto. Ow. Two vowels. Ow. Ow. And which combination is pronounced as ow? A-U. Correct? A-U. A-U is ow. Now I'm saying ow, to. Ow. Ow is A-U. To is T-O. So A-U-T-O. Auto. Okay. I hope it's clear. In case of any doubt, you know how to reach me. Till then, bye-bye.